Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to easily duplicate a page in WordPress or Elementor. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. And both of the process are very similar. Why? Because we are going to use a plugin over here. So what you need to do is just log into your WordPress admin, and at the left side of the menu, you will find plugin. Click on add new. Once you're at over here, search for duplicate page, and the first one you will see something like this. It has 3 million active installation. Just click on install. And right now, if I go to my pages, you can see I don't see any duplicate page option over here. But if I go back and click on activate now, you can see it's activated. And if I go back and refresh this page, you can see that we have an option for duplicate this. So you can duplicate everything over here. What you need to do, just click on duplicate. Let's say I'm going to duplicate my card page. Just click on this option and you can see we just got our card page again as a draft and we just duplicated over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know, how to easily duplicate a page in WordPress or Elementor. It's the same process. After that, you can just click on edit and start editing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.